Hello friends, welcome to AEM Tech Expert channel. Today we'll go through the maintenance tasks to be performed on daily and weekly basis in AEM. So the console, what you are seeing is a tool console. Under tool console, there is an operation option. Under operation options, you will see this maintenance option. Select this maintenance option, and it will show you the daily maintenance window and weekly maintenance window. So if you want to configure a daily maintenance window task, when it should execute and when it should finish, the start and end time, and if you want to specify the job name also, you can change it. So select this job and go to this configure option here. So you will find you can define a name for this job and select recurrence, whether you want to execute this job on daily basis or weekly or monthly basis, and select this start time and end time and finally save it. Okay. So now I will unselect this. I will double click this daily maintenance window option. Again, you will see there are three different types of jobs has been configured. The revision cleanup is basically online dot file compactions. So you on mouse or on this icon, basically you see the label for each of the icon. This is a run option. So if you want to run this revision cleanup once again, just hit this icon, run. So now you will see the status currently running, and the status is showing in, yeah, now finally it is succeeded and the status is okay. That means uh, this symbol icon is turned to green now. That means everything is fine. The operation is succeeded. Similarly, if you want to run Lucene binaries cleanup version purge, just select this run icon and hit this icon to run. So if you want to add any additional maintenance tasks, just click on this plus add here and select the add new task, whether you want to select project purge or purge of ad hoc tasks. Select it, say for example project purge, and click on save. So now if you look at this task is displaying here, and if you want to purge it again, you have to rerun this. And before that, if you want to configure it, which project has to be uh, deleted, so let me go to this configure option. So here you will see which projects you want to purge it. Purge active projects or project types to purge. So you have to specify the project types here. If you want to delete the project groups or project assets, so you can do the configuration here accordingly based on the need and project. So I'm going back to the tools console once again. So this is all about your daily maintenance window, and we'll look into this weekly maintenance window again. So again here, if you want to change the job name and when you want to settle it, go to this configure options and change it accordingly. Now double click this weekly maintenance window. Again you find there are default options configured one. The data store garbage collections and workflow purge and audit log maintenance tasks. So, accordingly, you select each of the options and click on the run. So, accordingly, this operation will start running and the status will be shown here. So I will select this operations. So I'm going to run this data store garbage collection. So now if you look at the current status, it shows currently running. Now the task is succeeded. So and so this is today's date and time. That's all. And if you want to add any additional weekly maintenance tasks, you can select here. Say for example, purge of adapt task, I will select it and save it. That task name is displayed here now. Now, which task adapt task has to be purged? So there is a configure option. Select this configure options and accordingly you have to configure it. So similarly, workflow purge task. This task was not exceeded because the model instance ID was not specified for which workflow model the workflow has to be performed. So you have to specify in the configure options. Similarly, for audit log maintenance task, this task was failed again because there is no log files. Which log file has to be uh, uh, used for the maintenance task. So with this through configure options, you can configure if you want to purge the error log file or request.log file, any other log file. So you have to configure it and save it, and accordingly you can again click on this play option, that is run options, and based on that it will show you the status. So that's all friend. Thank you for watching this channel. If you like this channel, please subscribe. Thank you.